In this video, I'm going to teach you how to game share from Xbox to PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Game sharing from Xbox to PC is going to work on Windows 10 and 11. So all that you have to do is first open the Xbox app. This should be pre-installed with Windows. All that you have to do is open the Windows Start menu and look for Xbox. Make sure you open the Xbox app and not the Xbox game bar. So inside of the Xbox app for your Windows computer, click Sign In at the top left corner of the screen and then Sign In from the drop-down menu once again. This is where you have to sign into the account where you are going to be playing the games from. So go ahead, click Sign In and follow the instructions on screen. Once you are properly signed into the account, everything should update. You should see the Game Pass, the home screen in your library. So all that you have to do now to actually game share from Xbox to PC is to click your account once again at the top left, go into the settings, and you have to choose Change My Microsoft Store Account. When you click this option, you will see a Microsoft Store window pop up. Wait for this to load. What we're going to be doing here is signing into the account that has Game Pass. So what you have to do is select an account over here that has Game Pass active. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate this process fully because I don't have an account to actually game share, but that's all you have to do. Once you click Change My Microsoft Store Account and you see the pop-up Sign into another account which has Game Pass or any other games that you would like to share, and they are going to be available on the first account that you signed into inside of the Xbox app. There are some limitations, and I won't be covering them in this video, but for the most part, game share is going to work for a lot of games, and as long as you signed into a Microsoft account that has Game Pass active, the library will be available and everything will be updated. Make sure that you do this process through the Xbox app, not the Xbox game bar, and that you follow through with the steps carefully, and by using a store account and an Xbox account, they will both game share as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to game share from Xbox to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.